Hello everyone, what's up? Let's make a look. Taste it in delicious. Ayan guys. Yan ang aking apritada. Yan ang the way nilang gumawa ng apritada is ganyan. See guys. Nako guys, kung alam lang ninyo, napakasarap. Napaka-yummy. Ayan, a short video guys from Ate Alex. I hope you will watch it and update lang po. Soon I will be back to support you as well. Ganun. Kasi alam niyo naman, si Ate Alex ay muntik nang natabunan ng lupa. Kaya I understand na love pa rin ako ni Lord. Thank you and I love you all. God bless you. Mama. Chup chup. Thank you and shout out to all my friends. God bless. I love you.